I want to personally help you fix your merge sort algorithm, errors in Python, whatever they may be. Drop me a comment. I read every single comment. I am planning on turning the top 3 videos into a debugging video this week. Before we go any further, if you want more Python or cybersecurity tips or tricks or tutorials, then subscribe to Rapido Code Pro and never miss another video. And if you want to learn more on how to hack and more on how to use Kali Linux while hacking, then subscribe to Rapido Code Cyber Pro and never miss another video, because every week I upload topics on how to hack in Kali Linux. And once again, if you want to learn cybersecurity or Python, then subscribe to Rapido Code Pro and never miss another video.